Hi everyone, welcome to this course. Before we start, my name is Mimi and I'm basically a psychiatrist and a makeup artist, but I love doing crochet stuff, so that's what we're gonna learn in this course. Later on, I'm gonna make an introduction about who I am, what I'm doing, and all this stuff, but in this video, in this section, I'm gonna explain what we're gonna do. So in this course, as you saw, of course, and you are here now, you're buying my course. Thank you so much for that. So in this course, we're gonna make a complete crochet top from the beginning to the end, and it's beginner friendly. So if you are a beginner in crocheting, you don't know anything about crocheting, we're gonna learn the basic steps, and then we're gonna go to the top itself and the pattern, what we're gonna do, and the sizes and everything you need to know. And I'm gonna go through every row, like showing you everything. So if you are a beginner, intermediate, or a professional and you want to create that top, you can do that. It's like for all levels. So I made this top before like twice. This is the first one I made, and then I made another one, and I created a complete new one for this course for you here. I made a YouTube video from like about 2 years ago, and it's very popular on my channel. My channel called Mimi's Makeup, and I made this top here, or this color. Actually they are all the same. So I'm wearing one right now, and this is the other one, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, and this is the color that we're gonna make in this course. And of course I'm gonna show you, you're gonna see me wearing it and showing you the all colors and how it looks when wearing them. Okay, for me, I am medium to large size, and the good thing about this one, it's kind of a free size top, so it's not having like a specific measurement for small, medium, large, and extra large. It's kind of a free kind of top, so you can play with the rows and see. So as you can see, this is like a medium to medium to large, but you can, like, if you are extra large, you can wear it too. So the basic thing about this one, it's about the length, not the width of each top. Okay, so I'm gonna just stand up now to show you something. Okay, so I'm just okay, so as you can see, this is the top I'm wearing right now, and as you can see, this is the length that I had. For this one is 11 rows, the 11 solid rows. I'm gonna explain everything while doing the top, but this one is 11 solid rows, and solid rows is the one have like a full double crochet in each row, because you can see it's kind of like a squares, or one squares and one very solid one row. Okay, that would be more obvious when we are going to the next section, of course, but okay, this is the length that I have for my top, and as you can see, this is like a one what we call it, one thing. So each square have 4 corners. This is one corner. Okay, so I take the corner and take the top to know the length of my top. So I'm taking it. When I'm doing it, I'm just attach it right here. This is where I want to do my strap. Okay, so attach it like this, and then go like this and let it go down, and I decided to do it that way. Okay, of course I can make it longer if I want to make it longer or shorter. That will make difference in the number of the row, basically. So this is how I made my row for, okay, let's come back, for 11 rows, or 11 solid rows, about 23 rows as I remember. It will be more obvious, of course, in the course. But as I told you, it's just it's kind of a free size kind of top, but again, you can increase or decrease the number of the rows. I'm gonna show you later on and while doing the top. And yeah, I really love that. Okay, this one and these two, actually these two, I made it with the Diva, Alice Diva yarn, and this red one was Alice Diva Plus, but it's just like the same, just the same. It's a little bit heavier, but it's just like the same, but I like more the Diva one. It's kind of a fine yarn. This is a thicker yarn, but this one I like it more. But I love this red, so it looks beautiful. I really love it. So it's a really easy pattern. Looks like complicated, but it's not. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna show you even how we finish details or the yarns that after we finish everything, how to hide it inside the work so it looks beautiful, neat, clean, and like valuable, because the finishing is a very important thing in crocheting. So after you finish your crochet project, if the finishing is not that good, it will reduce the value of the work that you made. So the finishing is very important. So thank you. I fixed my light. So yeah, I was saying about the finishing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you everything, and at the end, before we end this part, if there's anything that you need to know, like I forget anything, you have any question, please let me know, write a comment or send me a message. I'm gonna add my social media too, so you can like have a contact with me if you want to. It will be in my introduction video. So there's like many different ways that you contact with me, but of course contact with me in this section or in Udemy will be way easier, because like I know that you are specific for this course, of course. So yeah, if you need anything, if there is anything that it's not obvious, let me know. I will be more than happy to add more videos or update videos for you so you can understand and answer your question as well. And of course, these questions are valuable if you have any, because if you think about it, there's a lot of people, of course, will think about it too. So I will like make this course up to date and like more valuable with your questions answered in this course. So yeah. So after this introduction, I really hope you enjoy this course, and let's begin creating and showing you everything you need to know to make this beautiful top. Enjoy, and thank you again for purchasing my course. I'm used to YouTube, so that's why I'm saying video instead of course, new to courses. So yeah, I really hope you like it, and if you like, you can check out my other courses. It will be on my account. Thank you so much for being here, and let's start crocheting, and happy crocheting everyone. Love you. Bye.